Hi guys, good morning. Andito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, Ilocano in the city. Nagsasabing naimbag nga bigat tayo amin, gagayem ken kakapsat. In kami man kano ag picking this strawberry with the fun. Nakasaganan dagiti kakadwami, and we're just waiting kaday dyan na panggimatang iti chips kano dyan dagiti bulinggit
Nurubin tayo.
dyan damet tuma say hi. You excited?
Saki wanted to throw at the window in the window. No.
Saki, no?
Let's go. And guys, we're on our way to the farm. At meron pa tayong 23 minutes bago tayo makarating sa ating pupuntahan. Update ko kayo guys mamaya pag nakarating na kami doon. Thanks for watching. And we're here. Kalpasan, 30 minutes drive at da kami dito yan. Agaduti Lugan. Ta puro siguro strawberry dadat jay. Nagsapol tayo iti parking. And then barbarang adda pay bunga dagiti strawberry. We're here for strawberry picking. Nagadong alugan. Yeah. Later again guys. Guys, nakadanon kami matlaeng. Nakadanon kami matlaeng. Safe and sound. Kita kami dito. Pickingan iti strawberry. Tadan da kita kakadwamin. Sambag kami jay pagpickingan. Guys, makita yo naglawang farm. Naglalawa. Parang ato pa iti bunga na. Ato iti maala. Guys, at ito kita padami nga may picking sa bali nga lahi. Kahit na ma-experience iti agi strawberry picking. Ito King City. Ayan guys, ito tinaalada. Pinalalwandan. Ito the prices da. And welcome to Robin Tide. Robin Tide Farms. And yeah. We're entering the farm. Kita mo kita mababain ka no. Naglawang farm. Ayan guys, papakita ko mamaya paano mamitas ng strawberry.
Yes, we're getting a basket here. Mga kami ti basket mi dito before we go inside.
Hi Saki. Hi Saki. Dito gagayam kan kabsat ket libre itimangan. Kanan nyo takayat yo. Kilaang mabayadan ket jay mai basket nga mai take home. So mabalin ka nga paspasam timanganan sa kanto gumatang uray one basket, that's good enough. And let's go guys, let's go guys. At ayan, okay, thank you. That's the strawberry. Ayan. Ayan guys, andyan yung dalawang bulinggit. Panda kano agala iti strawberry. And guys, ayan na ang mga strawberry. Yan. Ito strawberry. Jay, hingga na jay, iti pagalaan. Yeah. Agala that is strawberry. Yeah, guys. Wow. Mayat di agala. Okay, go get some, Luis. Oh, that side?
Yes, so one of my friends on the other side as well.
Oh, okay. Yep, thank you. Not here. Nemas, Yaros. Samit. Not there, Lian. Ano nga dita? Go all the way there. Go all the way there. Go all the way. Ayan guys. Strawberry. Can I try to pick one? And here's the strawberry. Hi. Yep, thank you. bagana na kano iti pagalaan mi. Wow, nakatong strawberry. Alright guys,
We got one in.
got one in.
Oh,
Try to pick the big one and the red ones, okay?
Louise. I see
Wow.
one fresh one.
Where?
I mean two. Over here hiding.
Mm-hmm.
I see one big one. I need two. Two big ones. Yep.
Okay.
Put it here.
Oh, that side. Mommy said that side.
Ew. What happened?
Lia, Yana, that side.
Okay. Louise, put it in.
Wow. Doon ala yan?
Fresh.
And
I'm
yeah.
working with Louise. Yeah.
Kastoy ti. Uy, da nakita, nagdakkel. Wow, nagdakkel ni.
You can check the big one.
Wow.
Can me and Louise try that?
Wow. Later.
I see one. Oh, that one's got. Here.
Try ko man.
May pwede ito yung dito pa natin. Kiraya. I think you need
Jeros. Mansong di manganan dito na libre pa
the middle. There are a lot in the middle.
Diti asin erwaryon.
Give me this one ako. I can help you or else gano'n.
Sige, manso. Na kunada. Juicy na imas na babasit sa. Na imas MJ? Mati, anyo alalan di kita dadakkel na imas eh kwa. Good?
Lois.
Okay.
My foot is bleeding.
I turn around and all I see is
Bro, look at my foot.
And these two kids is enjoying picking the strawberry. Say hi.
Hi. Dad, why is everybody helping me?
It's okay, anak ko. Tap na mapuno deta basket mo. Then you can try pick some. Not that one, Luis. Just get the red one.
That's red.
Oh, wow. Maglangan ng tanaginit. Naginit matlaeng. Alright guys. Hanggang dito na lang po. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hanggang sa muli, kaibigan. Hey.
You can
At guys, ayan na. Napuno na ang mga basket.
Limited.
Per basket lang po. At yung isang basket napuno na. May hawak-hawak na basket. May kinakain pa. So, haan nga lugin. Sige, lata manso. Habang dito nakarwar. Tira lata. Sige. Tira pa MJ. Manso. Dagita kuwaita baka malit-lit. Dagita yung kabilit ta bagyo. Di kita impulsayo. Did you enjoy? You had fun? Yeah? At ayan guys. Pauwi na daw kami. Kasi nabsugdan. Nabsug ka yan? Very much. Naudi. Ibulsa mo na. Hello, tabulsa. Kita ping-ping. Okay, lakanan niyo doon sa pwedeng aromar. Okay, guys.
Mommy, can I go to
Aromar kami, nalpasan. Hindi panagpiging nalpasan. Time to go home.